Hey folks, it's ops night on the Pugsburg Railroad. We've been running a lot over at Howard Zane's house, so let's start running some stuff over my house on the Pugsburg Railroad. We've got Alex Kohlers, our engineer today. He stopped by, wanted to get a sandwich. He's running the EM-1, and he went into the Indian's Daughter. It's a diner. They got great food, and the crew is getting something to eat. Next to it is the Capital Limited sitting there. And its purpose, it's got one more stop to do before it heads out of town. It's got to go through Pugsburg, through East Cass, through the town of Winston. It's got to go down to Wilkins Rogers, which is on the outskirts of Ellicott City. And it's got to pick up some concrete hoppers and drop off a string of reefers. So without any further ado, let's get it started. All right, Alex, let's haul our ass out of here. Just a beautiful locomotive. This thing was custom weathered by Howard Zane. As it rolls through the outskirts of Pugsburg, the giant Yellowstone class EM-1.
And folks, the engine is 2 wheels short of a big boy. That's a 2884, and that's 2 wheels short of the big boy, which is a 4884.
And the view through the city of Pugsburg is most awesome. You might ask, why does that building not have a roof? We just passed. And the answer to that is I'm still building it. The train disappears through downtown Pugsburg. Beautiful consist of freight cars that I got from Howard himself.
Let's talk about a Road R exhibit. That's one right there.
Yeah, man.
We endorse Howard everywhere we go.
And we're ready to go through the ghetto, the Pugsburg ghetto, a work in progress. There'll be hobos, cops, all kinds of crazy stuff going on underneath the city.
Some panhandlers, maybe?
Panhandlers, the whole 9 yards, down in the ghetto here. It's a work in progress. And the EM-1 is going to skate through the ghetto.
Rocking the platform under the downtown.
Rocking the platform. Yeah, man. Let's catch a glimpse of her as she comes out. On her way to East Cass. Past the Purina dog food factory and the Puglisi pulp and paper.
Gotta keep the four-legged friends fed too.
Yeah, man.
Now she's ascending a grade.
She's ascending a grade.
She's working, earning her money.
Yes, sir. Hard to see here. See if I can get you a better view, folks.
The crow's eye view.
As the crow flies. The invisible crow. It's getting ready to round the corner. Past Pig's Ear. On her way to East Cass. Past the Avon Inn. On her way to Winston. On her journey to the Wilkins Rogers. On the back side of these buildings. We'll catch a glimpse of her here on the back side of the Avon Inn. Work in progress. Got to finish up the cupola and the dormers. As she disappears behind the Cass school into the tunnel. She roars down the tunnel through Winston. Folks, you can't see her because she's in a tunnel. She goes past the lodge in Winston. And again, she's in a tunnel.
We'll get a good shot of her coming out of there.
And we're going to get a nice shot of her coming out of this great big Winston tunnel. Let me snake through here. And we'll catch her. Got some nice cows in the field. And they're going to be scared the living crap out of them when this Yellowstone comes through.
Coming around the bend.
Here she comes. Yellowstone greatness. Yeah, man. As she heads toward Wilkins Rogers. Long train. We got to dump some reefers off at the plant. Well, here she comes. Past Ruby's Diner. Past Wilkins Rogers where the cement cars are. She's gonna clear the switch so she can come back and grab the cement cars and dump off some reefers. The bridge is a work in progress. She's heading toward Point of Rocks. And we'll stop her right about here. I see it. Go ahead and give it a horn blow, Alex. You cleared the switch yet?
Not yet. We're uncoupling, we're going to separate the train, and we're going to pick up these cement hoppers. Conductor's on the ground.
Train's been broken. The hoppers are ready to set out. What do we have? 4 or 5 of them? I think we got 5 of them.
Yep, we have 4.
We'll have to grab these cement cars that were put here for a construction project.
We'll grab them, then we'll hub up the reefers and put them back in the siding.
All right. Folks, while we're doing that, let's show you Wilkins Rogers. It's been on the channel before. If you want one custom built for you, I'd be more than happy to do that. You can contact me at my email address. I kit bashed this out of a bunch of Walther's structures and super detailed the interior. All right, we backing up.
Our crew carefully glides her back into the Wilkins Rogers lead to the siding.
All right.
Doing some business here.
Keep her coming. Keep her coming. You come on about another. We'll get it coming. Keep her coming. Keep her coming. Keep her coming. You got him. All right, you got it. All right, pull her forward and pull her out. And then we're going to... This place is a busy place, folks. They make George Washington cornbread, pies, donuts, cookies, cakes, potato bread, you name it, man, they make it here. A busy, busy, busy place. Well, the switch man ran into the trackside bar to grab a beer through the switch, and now we're backing up to grab the reefers that we're going to be sticking in the side in here. Keep coming. You've got 140 feet. You've got 85 feet, 40 feet, 30 feet, 10 feet. You got them. Go ahead and pull forward. You got them. Now tell Joe to quit messing with the ladies.
Yep.
Get out of the bar and come throw the switch.
You gotta tell them to separate the caboose.
Separate the caboose as well. All right, put her there. Wait for Joe to separate. Well, it's about time Joe came out. He's sitting in the caboose after it's been separated. All right, you've cleared the switch.
Folks, we're going to wing the prayer that Joe threw the switch the right way.
Back her up.
Hopefully Joe did it right.
Folks, this place still stands in Ellicott City to this day. It's been closed, and they're going to be turning it into a luxury apartment condominium complex. It's a pretty impressive site, so if you go to historic Ellicott City, make sure you stop by and check out this building. It's one of my favorite of all time. All right, Alex, you've got 140 feet, about 120 feet, 80 feet, 50 feet, 40 feet, slow her down, 5 feet, stop. You got it.
All right.
Folks, thanks. Well, let's see. We got to detach these. We're not done with our op session yet. Now we're going to go pick up the caboose and be on our way. I'll let you know when we clear the switch. Joe's inside. You better be inside. All right, you've cleared the switch. Okay, you got 140 feet, 120 feet, 80 feet, 60 feet, 50 feet, 40 feet, slow her down, 30, 20, 10. You've got the caboose. All right, Alex, take her out of there.
Here we go. Getting out of town.
Getting out of town. The crew's working late tonight. They got a bunch of box cars they got to unload. So they got a long night ahead of them. Folks, thanks for watching the video on the Pugsburg Railroad. There'll be many more to come. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. If you like it and you want to make a donation to the channel, there's a super thanks icon. You can do that too. Helps us push the videos out. Appreciate you watching and having a good old time with some trains tonight. Till next time, folks.